Here I'm going to show you how to create an account for a customer. So you're a brand partner. You can do it where you go to your replicated site to make sure you're at your replicated site. And remember, you don't have to actually sign in. You just have to be at your replicated site. You go to the area where it says shop, and to make sure you're at your site, you can come up to the top here where it says, you follow my arrow, you are shopping with, and it has your name of your LifeWave business. For me, it's Tina Coulter. If you need to change it, you absolutely can. But if you click here on shop, and what I want to also make sure to tell you is that depending on where they live, you want to make sure the flag is in the place where they live. So if they're in the United States, you want to make sure you change that flag to the United States. Remember, we're in over 80 countries. So if they're in Australia, Austria, as you can see, you want to make sure that you are having their flag according to where they live, not where you live. Okay, so for this example, this person lives in Canada. I'm going to be going to the area where it says shop. A drop down comes, and we're going to use X39 because it's our foundation patch, and that's what they've decided. In this scenario, they want to order the X39 patch. So what you can do is you can click here, add to cart. So there's two options. There's the retail and the subscribe and save. Add to cart. I'm just showing you on this point of how you are ordering for them. Up here goes green. It means that it's been added to the cart up here. Okay, so don't keep clicking it. You have one in your cart. So as you go over there, a drop down comes. You can either go to checkout or view cart. For this example, let's go to view cart. Okay, so go over to view cart. This then brings us to the shopping cart area. Now here they can choose to subscribe and save. So if they want a $50 off, you can go into the preferred customer option. Guest, preferred customer, PC Plus program. So let's say they decide to go in the middle of the road because of the great value here, and you can go over those to learn that as well. So they go into the save now. Okay. It gets added into here. It goes down to $99.95. That's how they save their $50. So now you go into checkout. All right, so this kind of goes into an interesting thing. It'll show you sign in or anything. Just leave this area alone. Doesn't matter. This is a brand partner thing. Right here is where you want to look at. You have selected, make sure it's there as your enroller, and now you create the account. And this is where you put in all of their information. Okay. And when you put in all of their information, you go to the next page. You can then set up their monthly subscription order for a month, 30 days after their first order, and you can carry on with that and then create their account that way. Hope this helps.